Low profile keyboards are actually pretty good. These boards hasn't always been extremely popular, but recently we have been seeing a little more low profile custom keyboard kits, and I decided to check one out for myself. The board we'll be looking at today is the NOS 75 by nuphy. It's an in-stock kit starting at $199. It's a little pricey compared to the recent budget boards we have been looking at, but honestly the price is justified by the quality of the board. To start with accessories, we have both a quick guide and an installation guide. We have a bunch of different mounts to provide for different flex options, keycap and switch puller, screwdriver, and a coiled USB-C cable. The keyboard itself is wrapped in this microfiber cloth, giving off a very premium unboxing experience. We have an exploded 75% layout, which I figured was probably the perfect choice on both form and function. The overall design comes together as a really sleek looking board. The curves on the board really pulls the whole thing together, especially for a low profile board. Unfortunately, the keyboard only offers wired connection, which I guess is the only downside to this keyboard. But we move on. The keyboard is held together by 4 screws, and once that's done, the whole board comes apart. Starting with foam, we have 4 pieces of foam: case, PCB, plate, and PE foam. The default plate pre-installed is an FR4 plate with no flex cuts, and it's definitely ideal for most of us. For our PCB, we have a 5-pin south-facing hot swappable PCB, pre-installed with pre-loop screw-in stabilizers and compatible with QMK and VIA. For mounting, everything goes onto the PCB, be it the silicone bean mount, gasket sock mount, or top mount. And finally, we have our case. I really love this case. This is one of the best implementation of the rubber feet on a case, and it comes together really neatly. The finish on it feels extremely smooth, and the attention to detail is amazing. By default, we have an aluminum weight, but we can actually swap it out for PVD mirror weight for an extra $49. If you like PVD mirror weight, it's pretty nice. It's a stainless steel blue PVD mirror finish weight, and this is a mirror finish, alright. I do love my PVD, and this is beautiful. Anyway, enough yapping from me, let's throw it all back together and see how this sounds like. These are the N1 Nano switches. They are a 5-pin linear switch, fully made from palm. They are a little scratchy, but the nature of palm switches are they normally come out a little scratchy if you don't pre-loop them. But over time, when you use palm switches, they do get a little smoother. Once you're done with that, it's time for keycaps. For keycaps, I have the Maya imprint keycaps. It comes with this really cute fridge magnet. It's NSA profile, die-subbed PBT keycaps, and the colorway matches the board really well. It comes with a lot of novelties, but I felt like the board would look better maintaining that sleek and minimalist look to it, so I decided to step away from the novelties. Anyway, here's how the board sounds. I don't know about you, but when I first built it and first played around with it, I was actually genuinely impressed at this low profile board. I didn't know that low profile boards would get to this level of customization because for myself, I normally don't see much low profile boards with custom keyboard kits. So seeing this and building it and listening to how it sounds, I am honestly very impressed. To add more into this kit, they have plate options too: aluminum, palm, and polycarbonate. I decided to run them in foam configurations that are suited for its material. So to start, I went with aluminum and completely foamless. For palm, I did plate foam, and for PC, I went all in on the foam, and here's how they sound. Overall, I'm giving the board a 9 out of 10. The consistency and theme throughout the whole kit really adds that value to me. The board looks really sleek and sounds pretty good, with all the customization available just like any other normal custom keyboard kit we normally have. Definitely makes this an easy recommendation for those looking for a low profile board or even for those beginners who are trying to look for a low profile board. And best of all, this is an in-stock kit, so there are no waiting times, and imagine bringing this to your office. It's such a huge flex. Like, this thing weighs a lot. Like, it feels pretty heavy, it feels pretty hefty, and this looks so slick. Imagine this just sitting on your desk at work. Wow. Anyway, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Nuphy for sending over this keyboard. I do think I will be taking a look at more low profile boards because honestly, I'm kind of getting into it. This is very nice to me. But aside from that, comment your thoughts on the keyboard down below, like this video if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.